Hey beautiful one, so today I'm gonna show you how I make my easy breakfast pancake at home. Stay tuned. Happy Saturday. Good morning guys, happy Saturday. So today is a breakfast day. Yes, we're gonna make pancakes. So you can see the flour right here. I use the Crust best in town. And I'm gonna use numb egg, good for me. I'm gonna add vanilla because I like the smell. Add an egg right here, one egg on it. My butter, you can use all butter of your choice. My water because I'm gonna whisk it. And baby, not get time for all. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of collagen peptide. Drink will come last. I'm gonna take this and sprinkle it. You add your 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Now you're just gonna crack the egg. This is the butter. The 1 tablespoon of collagen. So this one gonna give it like a lemon vanilla flavor. And I forgot to add the oil as my ingredient, but I'm gonna add it now right here, just a drop. See that? Now you get your water. What you're gonna do, squish, mix it up until it's thick. So this is the results. Mixing it. While you're mixing it, you're gonna lay your pan, your frying pan, whatever pan you use to warm the butter on top, and then we're gonna do it. So this is my results. My pancake is pancakey. I'm not doing a TV commercial because the TV and the real life is not good. So right here, I'm just gonna use my apple butter syrup. You can use any syrup of your choice, sugar-free, Walmart, ShopRite, all that kind of a giant. Use anyone you have and enjoy. Because I'm gonna eat. Let me finish my breakfast.